Hello, everyone. I promised yesterday that I will prepare complete updates from Thursday evening from Matel Vidakovic and Monar Peter. And actually, after update, I will repeat again everything what is interesting now to use to offer to people and yeah, grab the chance. So so very short, Attila Vidakovic, Molar Peter, the owners of D Labs. They are leading the development team of Mosaic project. They are 8 years in business together, many successful projects behind them, many awards for this project. Even when we have started to develop it, and after we have developed also. So Peter and Attila received also very significant rewards, awards uh, personally also. So they received it in London a few months ago. So here are in our team also Dave Six. It is David Pete from Hungary. He is one of the head ambassadors of Polkadot, and he is leading our development team for blockchain developments. And he will present Mosaic chain on Sub-Zero Developer Conference in Lisbon, Portugal. Uh, it is September 19 and 20. Let's see their update from Thursday evening. So it is from September 7th. So first warning from Peter that be aware of cheaters. They are making some copy of our website, and actually you can recognize with URL. So they are using some different URL, but the subdomain is Mosaic Alpha, so it can confuse people. And they are asking to connect your wallet to that. They are offering 1,500 codex for free and so on. And he also tell us that there is a chance to change only one letter, for example, in Mosaic Alpha they can put the last letter O instead of A, and actually, for example, I wouldn't recognize it without glasses on mobile phone. I wouldn't recognize the difference because just check it here how small is the difference between A and O, and they can catch you. So be careful about cheaters because every crypto project very soon receive the attacks from cheaters. So second thing, he was talking about development and what are they doing now, what have they finished until now, and so on. So he told us that they developed NFT-based validator rights with a lot of benefits. See, he didn't want to tell the details, but sometimes he will tell everything. They also finished Delegator NFT technology with modified Polkadot staking wallets, because we are waiting now for NFT marketplace because we will have also NFTs with every package, and once you can convert it into validator NFT, right, and so on and so on. So they have also some invention in the way how are validators chosen and working in blockchain. So the traditional way of working, they didn't like it, and they wanted to make it more random, and they have a solution for that. And that will be also innovation about they will maybe make lectures on conferences and so on because they think that it is better than what we are used to use in these technologies. Some validator analysis they are developing for checking the work of validators, how much blocks they verified, how did they behave in the past, etc. So because of sorry, is risk analyzing security. transparency and everything else. After that, Vidakovic Attila came to our crypto class on Thursday. He told us about Certic audit. It is still not finished because of their automatic working, should be finished soon. He admitted that Certic has very good positioning on the market, so investors who are not crypto professionals believe that Certic is very important for trust in the project. So we have to accept market demands because people were asking us and all the time, do we have Certic's audit or something else? So they are working on it. They are working on it, but they are usually using some automatic checks. And our project is not a standard project, so they stuck on few places. So we are exchanging letters with them and finishing it. And after that, Atla told us about the fact that we have burned 300 million Codexa. So first plan when we made Codexa token was to have 1 billion Codexa. And the plan was that what we don't sell with our packages, we will burn it and so on. But because of Certic also, because they asked us to make more acceptable, more formal tokenomics, again, because of demands of the market and so on. So we first we burned 300 million Codexa. And when you burn it, you can never put it back. So the contract is closed, and when you burn it, it is definitely burned, and you cannot mint new tokens. And on long term, this will have deflation effect on our token. And again, to compliance with demand of the market, we have had to update and differentiate tokenomics. Strategic partner is actually our company. You can see it on Binance Scan if you want it now. We have to check things with Certic, and when we finish it, we will put it also to our website. I just today checked the test website and I see that it is there, but on the live website it is not there. But on Binance Scans, if somebody wants to see, you can check the tokenomics there. So of course, everything which is put into tokenomics, actually the strategy is the same, but we made some more formal more formal tokenomics now. One new the thing is what wasn't mentioned so often before is that the fact that we have to go to centralized exchanges in the future. So actually, I thought that we will not go until Binance accept us there, or Coinbase or some serious exchange. But in any case, exchanges are asking for some money. They are usually asking for our tokens when we want to be listed there. But we will make the contracts very strictly. So even if we give them some Codexa token, it will be limited how much and how fast they can sell it. So anyway, in any case, it will not be a threat to our the value of Codex and so on. So these are things from Attila. He has also some more. So he received 3 invitations only this week to different conferences, even bankers in fintech section and so on. So he read one letter without name and conference because it is not okay to read publicly somebody's email. But yeah, he just wanted to show us the language and formulation of invitation. And so anyway, it is good for us to be on more place because it is also a kind of marketing. especially if it is a conference where professionals are there. So he talked to us also about Mosaic Alpha Academy. It should be finished before Gala conference in October, and it should be the best academy material for free on the market. So even he told us that even with paid courses, it can be one of the best, but in free space, it will be probably the best material. So it will be also good marketing for us and good reason why people will come to our platform to see what we are doing and so on. So he talked about marketing. So we hired one of the best marketing company in Hungary, and Attila know them for a long time. And he told us that when he speak with them, they also always explain that it took at least 6 months of planned testing on different platforms and with different approaches before we start marketing with bigger money. So even when we start doing it, they are already testing the marketing, but not so strong. But when we put open source to GitHub and to Binance Scan, then they will start testing a little bit stronger. And after some 6 months, they will make with serious money the marketing. He talked us also about Gala event. He repeated again that this will be historical event in crypto in Hungary. So if you can be there, be here. So let's talk a little bit about Codexa Run. Let's talk about business. So Codexa is our utility token we are using on our platform. If you stake it, you will get better conditions for buying baskets and for transactions and so on, so on. So Codexa Run is actually like buy some NFT, buy up to that amount Codexa, and you can stake that Codexa for 3 years. But after 60 days, you can redeem your all reward for staking for 3 years at once, and it will be 300% of the value at that point of Codex you can stake it 60 days before. So with this incentive, you can buy bigger packages because you are receiving reward in discount in USDT discount with which you can buy NFT packages from our project. You know that we have very attractive packages, so people are buying it even without discount, so they are paying the price for it. But with this, it will be even easier. Okay. So we are listed on our swap. If somebody doesn't know or doesn't understand that we always tell people that we have our exchange, our swap, but I don't know, for some reason some people don't register it, okay, in their heads. And you have to understand that our swap, our exchange is completely decentralized on Binance Smart Chain. So Binance Smart Chain is not in our hands. When we put the smart contract on the Binance Smart Chain, it will do what is written in that smart contract. So we cannot affect it, okay? So it is not something that we made on our blockchain with our validators, and we can stop the blockchain whenever we want. And we can also change things on our blockchain if it is ours, okay? And if it is not fully decentralized like it should be, and our blockchain next year in July will be fully decentralized. So after we start live chain, we cannot stop it. We cannot stop it. If there is a validator all around who is working, they will work. So we cannot stop it. We even can upgrade it or do something with it only if the community accept that exchange, that change, and so on and so on. So our swap has started with very serious liquidity. Then it was 2.1 million USDT. Now it is almost 2.5 million USDT. You can use that platform and that swap with MetaMask or any other crypto wallet with Connect Wallet protocol. We are waiting for certic audit for Codex and so on. And this is the picture from this morning. This is what we love to see. So you can see here 15% growth in last 7 days. So it is huge. It is huge. I made some calculation few days ago when it was about 8% per week. And if it continues for 52 weeks, it is 1 year, then from that moment, I check the price on the market, and in 52 weeks we could come to $1.8 value of Codexa. So I just want to tell you that it's very, very realistic to have Codexa $1 or $2 or $3 in 1 or 2 years. And actually now at this moment, if you have some free money, the best place for it is to buy Codexa, because 15% per week, and I don't have commission from your purchase of Codexa. Nobody has commission from it, so this is free market. I'm giving just a tip for you, so if you accept it, it's good. Okay, so again, just to repeat that to have something from which you can make from 1,000 USDT $6 million, it is not new. It is not too good to be true, like I hear often. So it is reality when you recognize good project at early stage. So our project is not in so early stage, then you can make from 1,000 $6 million. Okay, but you can make from $25,000. You can make 3 million, for example, in 1.5, 2 years. But you can make with 25. You can make with $10,000, for example. You can make 6 million in 4 years from now if you start now. But if you decide now, of course. So what are we doing actually? We are selling packages. We are receiving two types of cryptocurrencies in these packages. It is Codexa and Mosaic free tokens, and 60% of that packages is going to marketing and 40% is going to developers. And the best package to buy is $25,000 Validator Pro package. I have started with one of these packages from the beginning last year in January, and every week since then we are receiving from weekly pool shares 324,000 pre-tokens every week. So, but every week we have more and more people who have Validator Pro, and I'm receiving every week less and less pre-tokens from that weekly shares, but it is still a lot. It is still a lot. My estimation, you know that we cannot predict the price. Nobody can predict the price. It is who tells you that he knows for exactly that it will be and promise you, he's a cheater. Okay, so cheaters are cheating with these people, but there is an estimation, and I have made some calculations. And if Codex reach $1, Mosaic coin will be $20. So in that case, Validator Pro could make $1.2 million. And if Mosaic coin will be $50, then Validator Pro can make a value of $3 million in next 1.5 years. Second best thing is to have Validator. They are receiving weekly pre-tokens from pool 2. It is 100,800 Mosaic pre-tokens every week to all owners of Validator, not Validator Pro. I will correct this from Validator packages. Estimation for this is if Mosaic coin will be $20, then $245,000, and if Mosaic coin reach $50, then $600,000. But don't forget that actually we are expecting 2 years after we start the blockchain. 2 years later, we are expecting even maybe 10 times more value of Mosaic coin, because that is what happened when some project is good, and we saw it in the past with many projects like Binance Smart Chain, for example. The news with Codex Run is that you can get for $5,000 Validator right. It is not the same like Validator, who is receiving from pool 2, with this Codex run incentive, you will receive actually weekly pre-tokens from pool 3, this 50,400 every week for all owners of 5K packages, but you will start receiving it 60 days after you buy the package, because actually what you are doing for this kind of validator rights for 5K, you have to buy 2,500 NFT, 2,500 USDT worth Codexa, and you have to stake that Codexa for 3 years, and you can get 300% of 2,500, the 7,500. And with these two things, so actually for that discount of $7,500, you will buy one 5K package, uh, one 1.5 package, and you will get one 750 and one 250 package. Okay. So or no. Yeah, but yes, it is. So 1,500 and then seven. Yes, that's it. So estimation for 5K package is 115,000 value 1.5 years from now, and or 2090 2090 290,000, sorry, $290,000 value, what you can get. So actually, we did this incentive. You first buy professional package and 750 and 250. It is 200 and 500, 2,500 NFT, and then from discount you buy 5K and also these packages and so on. Okay, so of course, imperative is for everybody to be validator in this future system, and validator right I have explained. Of course, those codex you have staked for 3 years. Of course, after 3 years it is yours, so you can sell it, and after 3 years it can go up even to $3. And I made some calculations on our swap for $250 at that moment. It was August 22nd. As for 250, you received 8,473 Codexa. And if Codexa reach $1, then you will receive this amount for that. And if Codexa reach $3, you will receive $25,000 3 years from now if you buy 250. So actually, with Codexa RAM, you have this advantage also 3 years from now. So, for example, for $5,000, if you buy Codexa for $5,000 and stake it, you can have $500,000 3 years later just from Codexa, and whatever you have from packages you received and so on, and validator rights if you bought validator rights and so on. So actually, this is strong. Okay, so here are our NFT packages and all details. I don't want to tell you everything. So this is a simulation and our prediction of turnover and volume of every package and profit from every package. But as I told you, this is only prediction, not guarantee. Okay, so third thing about what I want to tell few things is you should build a network. So this is good business, this is profitable business, and you can earn money immediately if you start building business. We have very modern compensation plan. I don't want to explain everything. You should read our compensation plan or watch some video about marketing part. But this is example from January 2022 to June this year. I earned 362,000 USDT in commission. I earned 4 Validator Pro rights. It is $100,000 value. I get this car, beautiful car. It was 150,000 value at that moment when I bought it last year in November. So don't think too much about compensation plan. You just you can imagine that I couldn't earn this kind of money if I don't help my leaders to earn money and so on and so on. So I think that you can do this even faster and more easier if you start now, because we are not at the beginning without almost nothing or without anything developed yet and so on. So we now can show results, show successful projects, awards, and so on. So we made very good turnover, more than $10 million turnover, 10,000 people, 5,000 active people, more than 400 validators now. So actually, we are at the beginning. So we want to have 1 million and 2 million people in our network in next few years. So you are at right place, at right time. So just use this. Okay. Uh, I usually finish, but I will not finish yet this presentation, but I usually finish presentation with this slide. If you realize that this is your lifetime opportunity, you can find time for it, you can find money for it, you will have courage to talk about this business, and you can learn whatever you need to be successful in this business if you realize that this is your lifetime opportunity. So first you have to collect your goals, dreams. Let's go to basics, yeah. Write it down, send it to your mentor. You really have to understand that this is your lifetime opportunity, that the product is excellent, extraordinary. There is no competition. We don't have real competition on the market. We have in crypto MLM space, I seen only scams, or maybe some. There are many very few legal crypto MLM opportunity, and those opportunity doesn't have a business case, so that they don't have what they should have to be successful, like network marketing company. Make a plan, weekly plan, monthly plan. Write down when are you free, when can you talk, and start putting appointments in that planner. Make a list of your friends and relatives and neighbors and colleagues and so on. Use whatever you want. I don't have time now to go into detail, but actually network marketing is not so complicated. You just have to start working, okay? And start contacting people. That's the next step. So what is the best strategy? What I suggest, talk with people, tell them about rising of Codexa. So they can withdraw it whenever they want. You can tell them that you don't have any commission from giving him or her this tip. You are just making them favor. And Frank Badger told once that the best thing you can give to people is to give them good advice. Okay, so if you give them good advice, they will probably be grateful for it. Of course, help them to show where is our swap, how to buy USDT if they don't know how to do that, and so on. And tell them if they want to hear it, how can they earn even more money with crowdfunding, Codex Run, networking, validators, and so on. So with this rise of Codexa, you got new tool, easier tool. And I just want to tell you that now the things will start developing faster. Now the things will start developing faster. So you should decide what to do, and don't lose time. So September, October, November, December, until December 15 or 20, it is the best time for network marketing. And if you make good momentum for your team, for your network, then you will have also good January and February, which usually is not good, but it depends from you. Anyway, you should make a decision, or you have question. If you have question, find someone who sent you this video, or find your mentor in this business, or find me somewhere in some WhatsApp group. Leave me a message, and I will try to help you as soon as I can. So good luck. Bye bye.